Namaste. Thanks for joining us on our channel, What About Nepal? Today we're exploring the southwestern part of the Kathmandu Valley, Kirtipur, which is one of the oldest villages, and it was actually a kingdom back in the day. Has amazing history. So if you like history and you come to Nepal, you'll definitely want to see Kirtipur. But another thing you can do in Kirtipur is go enjoy the local cuisine. The Newar food is just incredible there. But today we're exploring the Bag Bhairab Temple. So come along with us as we explore Kirtipur and the Bag Bhairab Temple. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, give us a like and subscribe. They say it really does matter, so appreciate it very much. And thank you to all our recent subscribers too. Also, if you're coming to Nepal and you have a question, please leave it in the comment. We're happy to do a video for you if we can, or I get right back to the comments right away, as often as I can. So see you next time.